Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulihil Kareem. Amma ba'd. We were studying the broken plurals, and we have already studied 4 shapes in which the broken plurals appear. And now we take the next one, and that is fu'alun. Fu'alun. Examples are kuffarun, fujjarun. Plural of kafir is kuffarun, and fajir is fujjarun. Qurra'un. Qari, the plural is qurra'un. Khuddamun. Khadim is the servant, and the plural is khuddamun. Hakim is the ruler, and plural is hukkamun. Hukkamun. Talibul ilm, plural is tullabun. Seekers. Talib is seeker, and tullab is its plural. Tullabun. Next shape is fa'alatun. Fa'alatun. Example is talabatun. Students. Talib, talibul ilm, the abbreviation of talibul ilm is talibun, seeker of the knowledge, and talabatun are students. Similarly, fajaratun, ulaika humul kafaratul fajara in the Holy Qur'an. Talabatun, fajaratun, kafaratun. Kafir has 2 meanings. One is the non-believer, and the other is thankless. Plural would be kafaratun. Kafaratun. Ulaika humul kafaratul fajara. Another shape is af'ilatun. Af'ilatun. Al-sinatun. Lisanun is the language or tongue, and plural is al-sinatun. Al-sinatun. Afilatun, al-sinatun. As'ilatun. Sawal, question, and plural is as'ilatun. As'ilatun. Fuad is heart. Heart in Arabic is fuad, So it is fuad is plural and singular, and afidatun is afidatun, hearts. Dawaun is medicine and plural is adviyatun. Adviyatun. Ilahun is God. Ilahun is a God with small g, worthy of worship, and its plural is alihatun. Alihatun. Another shape is fu'ala'u. Fu'ala'u. Sharik means a partner, and its plural is shuraka'u. Shuraka'u. Hakim is a wise man, and its plural is hukama'u. Hukama'u. Jahil is an emotional or illiterate man, and plural is juhala'u. Juhala'u. Shair is an intellectual or poet. Shu'ara'u. All of them will have mad. Pronunciation being fu'ala'u, shuraka'u, hukama'u, juhala'u, shu'ara'u. Amir means commander. Amr means a command. Amrun, a command. Amirun, the commander. Amirun, a commander. And plural is umara'u. Commanders. Safi is an insane person, a madman. Safi. Plural is sufaha'u. Sofa. Sufaha'u. The insane persons. Wazir is the minister. Wizir actually means a load, and wazir is the one who bears the load. King is the actual ruler, and the wazara are ministers are who bear the load of the ruler. So plural of wazir is wuzara'u. Singular is wazir. Wizir is the load. Wazirun, minister. A minister are the load bearer. And plural is wuzara'u. Wuzara'u. Khalifa is the viceroy. Khalifa. Khalf means behind, and Khalifa is the successor or viceroy who comes after him or who substitutes the main person. Khalifatun is the successor, and the plural is khulafa'u. Khulafa'u. Bakhil is the stingy person, miser, and plural is bukhala'u. Bukhl is stinginess and bakhil is the stingy person, and plural is bukhala'u. Bukhala'u. Aqil is the sensible person and plural is uqala'u. Uqala'u. The next shape of broken plurals is af'ila'u. Af'ila'u. You know, Nabi means a prophet, and prophets in plural, they will be Ambiya'u. You know, the singular word is Nabi. And this noon ba ya are right here. Ambiya'u. Ambiya'u. Af'ila'u. Ambiya'u. Waliyun is a supporter, guardian or friend is waliyun. Singular is waliyun. And its plural is awliya'u. You know, the basic letters, I try to keep them in the separate color so that you develop a sense of the Arabic words. Arabic word basically is combination of two, the original letters and the additional letters. The original letters are red, or sometimes I color them as blue, and the additional letters are black. So, Waliyun becomes Awliya'u, Nabiyun becomes Ambiya'u. Ghaniyun means independent. Ghaniyun, you know, there is a word Faqir. Faqir means dependent. You know, the same word is used for beggars. And Ghaniyun is basically independent, and the common use is for rich people, well-to-do people. They are Aghniya. And the plural of Ghani is Aghniya'u. Aghniya'u. Sadiqun is a friend, and the plural is Asdiqa'u. Asdiqa'u. Shadeed means severe. Shadeedun is severe, and its plural is Ashidda'u. You know, Tashdeed means the duplication of that letter. So, here the basic letters are Sheen, Dal and Dal. This Ya is basically additional. And now, this is Ashish Didda'u, but it is read as Ashidda'u. In the Holy Qur'an, you find Ashidda'u alal kuffari, ruhama'u bainahum, Muhammadur Rasulullah, last ayah of Surah Al-Fatihah, Muhammadur Rasulullah, wallazina ma'ahu ashidda'u alal kuffari, ruhama'u bainahum. You know, Ruhama is in the shape of Fu'ala'u, which we have already read. Another shape is Fawa'ilu. Fawa'ilu. You know, Qaida is the principle, and the plural is Qawa'idu. Qawa'idu. Amil is the factor, and factors are Awamilu. Factors are Awamilu, different factors, Awamilu. You have to keep in mind that in these shapes, all those which are being indicated with the singular Dhamma, they would be Ghair Munsarif, partly cooperative nouns, and those which are showing Tanween, Af'ilatun, etc., Kutubun, they are the normal morab nouns. Shawahid, shawahidu, findings. Shawahidu, findings. Now, shahida yashhadu basically means something to be present. It is the opposite of ghaba yaghibu. Shahid is present and ghaib is not present, absent. So, findings are the things present in a certain situation. They are called shawahid, proofs. Fahisha is something obscene, and fawahish is its plural. Fawahishu, obscene acts. Wala taqrabul fawahisha ma zahara minha wa ma batan. Don't go even close to the obscene acts, whether they are evident or hidden. Then is fa'ailu. It's interesting that it's just the introduction of different shapes. There is no rule. You cannot form a broken plural by your own mind. It is the usage or the idiom of the Arabs which will tell you this plural, about this plural. From the usage, since we are learning this language in pursuit of learning the Holy Qur'an, and the Muslims, they recite the Holy Qur'an very frequently, so they are familiar with these nouns by the frequent recitation, and if you are familiar with these shapes, you can easily recognize that this is a shape of a broken plural. Or if you have a singular noun, dictionary will tell you that this is the plural of such and such is the plural of that noun. Or you find some word in the Quran or somewhere in Arabic language, and you go to the dictionary, and dictionary will tell you that this is a broken plural. But if you keep in mind these different shapes, then inshallah you will know by yourself on your own that yes, this appears to be a shape of a broken plural, so this must be a broken plural. Fa'ailu. Examples are saghairu. Saghairu. Saghira is a small sin, and plural is saghairu. Kabira is a grievous sin, and the plural is kabairu. Kabairu. Tayyib means clean, and khabith means dirty, and the plural is khabaisu. When we go to the toilet, what we are supposed to say entering the toilet as Muslims? Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min al-khubthi wal khaba'is. Khubth are the masculine jinnat, jinns, and khaba'is are the feminine jinns. Khaba'isu. Khaza'inu, triers. Triers are khaza'inu. Khazina is a trier, and plural is khaza'inu. You see this example in Surah Al-Munafiqun. هم الذين يقولون لا تنفقوا على من عند رسول الله حتى ينفضوا ولله خزائن السماوات والأرض. The treasures of heavens and the earth belong to Allah. ولكن المنافقين لا يفقهون. But the hypocrites have no understanding. Aqidah is a dogma, the belief, and the plural is aqaidu. Aqaidu. dogmas, beliefs. Sahifa is a scripture. It's a two plural suhufun, like folun, kutubun, and sahaifu. Next shape is mafa'ilu. Mafa'ilu. Beautiful example, very well known. Masajidu. Sajda, Seen Jeem Dal is for prostration, and masjid is the place of sajda, and masajidu are the mosques. Singular is masjidun and plural is masajidu. Madrasatun. Dars is a lesson. Dars is a lesson. Darsun, a lesson. And madrasatun is the place of lesson, place of learning. Mad, dal, seen, ra are there. Madrasatun is the place of learning. And the plural is madarisu. Madarisu. Mafa'ilu, madarisu, masajidu. Mazhab is a religion, and plural is madhahibu. Madhahibu, religions. Manzil is a place to land, the destination, and plural is manazilu. Manazilu. Manzar is a scene, and manazir are scenes. No, nazara yanziru means to see, and manzar is a scene, and manaziru is its plural. Manaziru are the scenes. Another shape of Jama Mukassar are broken plurals is fa'la. At the end is alif maksura. Fa'la marda. Mariz is a sick man, patient, and plural is marda. Allahumma shfi mardana wa mardal muslimin. Mayyit is a dead person, and mauta is plural. So that's all with the broken plurals. Inshallah, next time we may start with the type or kind of nouns, that is definite nouns and indefinite nouns. Akhiru dawana alhamdulillah rabbil alamin.